Most of you know that I have been super sick as of late, and all I've been thinking about is how to pamper myself, to soothe myself, and to feel new again. And the best thing was this whipped soap is super creamy and easy to make, and I wanted something that required bare minimum effort because I am still sick. Hi guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. This creamy bath soap is so easy to make and is fully customizable. 90% of this formula is a pre-made foaming bath whip. As long as you have that, you can fully customize it and make it special to you. I added a few extra ingredients that I'm really enjoying, so I will share that with you guys now. To start off with my bath whip, I just took a good chunk of that, enough to make one maybe like 10-ounce jar. And what I'm going to do is add my preservative. You need a preservative because more than likely you're going to reuse this and it's going to be in a container that can get contaminated. I'm going to also add some cranberry seed oil. This is just to help further add to the texture and also moisturize the skin. Next, I'm going to add my fragrance oil. You can also add essential oil, whichever oil is soothing and therapeutic to you, you can use. And all you're going to do is whip that up. Depending on how you decide to whip this up will determine the final texture or consistency. I just used a whisk and gently stirred this around, and this is the silky creamy texture that I got. If you use an electric hand mixer or stand mixer, it will be really fluffy and probably double in size like a whipped body butter. That's not what I wanted here, but you are definitely welcome to do that. So the whipped soap is basically done. Anything I add from this point on is just my special preference and what I like. So I'm going to be adding some dragon fruit powder. It also gives the whipped soap a beautiful color. You do not have to use this. You can also use honey powder or oatmeal powder, whichever powder works for you. I'm also going to add some Kaolin Clay. This is just a natural cleansing clay. You can add any clay that you prefer, or you can fully omit the clay. I just wanted more soothing, calming properties to this whipped soap. Before adding in my dry ingredients, I'm going to add a bit more of the cranberry seed oil to turn this into a creamy paste. This will make it easier to eyeball how much I need to get the desired color that I'm looking for, because the dragon fruit will change the final color of your product. Dragon fruit has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties for the skin. It can help reduce acne, and it is also anti-aging, which will leave you with smooth, glowing skin. So dragon fruit is definitely an ingredient to check out, especially if you're looking for a natural colorant. I added just about a teaspoon of this paste before whisking again, and this was just enough to get the color that I was looking for. It came out so pretty. I love this light pink color, and I think it also matches the theme of the dragon fruit and also the cranberry seed oil. This base will also make for a great sugar scrub. Just add your sugar. Just keep in mind that this will change the consistency of your final product. That's not what I was looking for this particular formula. I ended up adding cranberry seeds instead. I believe it definitely added to the aesthetic of this whipped soap, but also cranberry seeds are great for buffing away dead skin, dirt, and removing oil from your skin. So this is a great natural way to further cleanse and also add some extra aesthetic properties to your whipped soap. I just think it came out really great. I really love how they look in this whipped soap. And that's it, you guys. That's exactly how I made my dragon fruit bath whip or whipped soap, whatever you want to call it. I really love this. Once again, I'm gonna just let you guys know that you can whip this up and get more of a buttery, fluffy texture, but I really love the texture and the consistency of this final product. You can add this to your bath in order to make like a bubble bath. You can also just lather it on if you like with using a loofah or something like that. There's so many ways that you can use it. It's really easy to use, easy to store, and I love that it's fully customizable, so you can really just make it however you like, for however you feeling, whatever smells you want, texture you want. It's so versatile, you guys. So as long as you have that pre-made foamy bath whip, the ideas are endless. You can be as creative as you want to be when it comes to creamy whipped soap. So I just love this consistency. I love how this came out. I love the feel of it. And for the time being, you guys will probably see a lot more of these as I just kind of play around with the base. I do have some videos where I show you how to make the base yourself. If you want to do that, you can definitely do that. But like I said, just when you want something easy, there are pre-made options out there. So I'm gonna give a quick demonstration of just how foamy and bubbly this gets.
But first, if you're someone who enjoys learning like I do, you should definitely check out Skillshare. I've been using Skillshare for almost a year now, and I absolutely love it. I have been able to enhance skills that I already had, while also learning new skills that I didn't even know I wanted to learn. Their selection of classes is just endless. So a lot of you know I have been looking into making soaps as of late. So I've been on there a lot looking up different tools and skill sets that I would want to utilize once I start making my soaps. It's just so easy to keep learning and becoming more creative each and every day. One class by Seema Chowdhury definitely caught my attention because she is a chemist. Not only does she go step by step telling you how to do the formulation, she also has a video tutorial where she goes through each step and shows you exactly how she makes shampoos, conditioning bars, scrubs, and other hair and skincare products. You can have the confidence in knowing that you're learning from experts in their own field. So if you're looking to invest in your future or just learn a new skill, try out Skillshare. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description box will get 1 month free of Skillshare. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out Skillshare now and start making your own creations.
Alright, you guys, so that is basically the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I am still sick, but I promise you guys more videos are coming and are on the way. But yeah, just thank you guys for continuing to support me, and thank you guys for those who checked up on me and were concerned. Thank you so much for just supporting me. It means so much to me. All right, before we end the video, I just wanted to show you guys quickly just how much foam you get from this whipped soap. A little definitely goes a long way, which makes this so inexpensive, a very inexpensive way to be creative and create your own bath care items. Even if you're an expert at making whipped soaps yourself or making the base from scratch, this is a great way to kind of relax from formulating and just be creative. You can also play around with some ideas without having to remake a fresh batch every single time. You already have it on hand. So yeah, it's just really a fun, neat way to relieve stress and create products. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave me some comments down below. I do my best to answer them. And yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.